starting with 5, and there is a maximal player, so...
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Friends, but I'm not trying to be like, hey, Hawkeye, glad to see you. Long time no see. This is number 2, 3,695 winners, guys. Congratulations for that. Let's go for another spin. Have a nice time. Have a good day, guys. Welcome newcomers. Please participate. Let's go, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Sheesh. How many Vex lost? Sorry? 10 with a 20x on the top spot. Wow. Go, 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 go.
This is the amount of money issued 348,280 euros.
Woo! Woo! Let's go, everybody. 3,609.
Next in the freestyle bonus round. 3.5 thousand winners. Copycat first place. 800 wins. Yeah, somehow like that. But yeah, for this particular day, unfortunately, I don't have any info. I'm sorry. But I hope the chatbot's going to jump on in the chat and let us know. Better closer luck. So, it is number 10 and 25 times top slot. Come on.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,216,552 euros.
Laka, that's what I'm talking about. 250x multi number 10 for 3.8 thousand of you. JJ gets a
5,451 winner. Congratulations. The betting time is open for the next round. You're welcome to place your bets, and let's spin again, guys. As well, you can decide to bet for all the numbers in the bonus game, so to bet in all future. And welcome, everyone. Thank you for the joining. Screen is black. Try to refresh the browser, JC. Don't live. What? Don't live anymore. Crazy time having the 4x multiplied. I don't know, guys, what about to happen with the screens, but try to refresh the browser. Oh! Stop! Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, this is happening crazy time, and this is going to be the big crazy time. We have the 4x multiplier from the top slot. Let's run! Welcome! Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Crazy Time. Well, this is gonna be one grand crazy time and one really fun crazy time. We got 4x multiplier from top slot. It's happening. Bid me. Oh, so good. Oh, muchas gracias, guys. We multiplying 4 times these wheel multipliers. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please pick one of the floppers. The green, blue, or the yellow can be your choice. Good luck for your decisions. Looks like the majority of players go for the blue as usually. 400x multiplier to the max multiplier. Never as well on the wheel, we have these doubles and troubles. So good luck. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, the green flapper got double. So doubling up all the fun. It was already from the top slot the 4x multiplier, but now we got even double 800. It's that max multiplier. Or as well, more doubles and triples, guys, can be yours. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 764,638 euros.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's the results. 100x multiplier for the blue, 140 for the yellow, but 200 the green. Woo! Congratulations. Well, that was fun, right? 8,000.
Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. There was a song, you know, let's have some fun. No. I forgot. But there was something, a song about fun. Anyways, remember about a button on last solution. Nice, nice. Yeah, let's go. Anyways, I wish you best of luck. Here we go. Oh, let's play some Love Game. 5x and Pachinko. You know this? Love Game, Love Game. Lady Gaga song. Love Game. Pachinko? Come on! Let's go! Pachinko with a 5x multiplier from top slot. Woohoo! Let's go! We got a Pachinko with a 5x from top side. Just look at that. Look at that. Whoopa. Whoopa. I even can stand straight in my hand. Like, tricks. Let's go higher. We got a 3, 5, 7x, and 10x, 20x, and 25, 50, 200. Let's go, multiplayer thing about 5. And there is a max multiplayer 1000x. Come on. Come on. Let's get a 1000x. That's crazy. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, wish you best of luck. Here we go. 1000. Come on. 1000. At least 102.
This is the amount of money issued 1,041,577 euros.
Pachinko, let's go! 7,570 winners in Germany. Hispanic stands up and feel.
Let's be Michael Jackson. No, Michael Jackson, not Michael Jackson. Change host, please. Aw, that's so bad. That's so sad. You call this no enough energy? You must be joking. Literally, my lungs are out. Also, take some Pachinko. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, for the second time in a row, not in a row, but top slot of Pachinko. This is our fourth Pachinko of this session already. Hey, change host to spinner. Oh yeah, this is some head rotating stuff. Pachinito with the 3x. Let's go. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I'm like a girl that broke up. I believe we can get a top multiplier. Let's go. 3x. Let's go up. Mr. The Management, if he was here, he would kick me out. Let's see where are we going. Woo. Breathe air. Woo. 600, please. Right.
This is the amount of money issued 240,173 euros.
Let's go back to the wheel. Ladies and gentlemen, what is 1,324 winners.
Use the also play option if you want. No chance with you. Well, Lala Malink, you can get back later in about 1 hour and a half. You will get the new host. 2x on number 1 in the top slot. The highest today, 500x on the cash ones. And now let's go to the crazy time. Woo! Let's go. Welcome everyone to the crazy time bonus round. My dear players, please get ready. The wheel with all the multis. And now it's time to choose the flapper. We got 3 options. We got the green one, we got the blue one, and we got the yellow one. Please make your decisions. Pick the color. And if you don't want to pick, you can leave that to pick option, of course. So, 100 is the biggest one, and come on. Woo! Double for the yellow. Let's double the multipliers on the wheel. Yes, just like that. Perfection. Okay. So the biggest one right now is 200. Come on. Woo! Oh, another double. I love it. Okay, let's double the multipliers once again. Yes, perfect. So the biggest one right now is 400. Come on. What? This is crazy time, you guys. Let's double again and again and again. We don't want to stop, right? So 800, the highest one. Come on. Woo! No way, you guys. Another double. Okay, let's double again. I love it. So the biggest one multiplier now is 1,600. Let's get that one. Come on. Woo!
This is the amount of money issued 157,702 euros.
We got 800.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.